Traveling alone is exciting and fun. However, packing for any trip is generally not. Here are some tips to pack well, so that you will have what you need, and your trip can run more smoothly. Know what is available where you travel. Wherever your destination may be, check out beforehand what is available as far as shopping goes. When you get there, you want to know that you have access to everything you will need immediately, in case you do not want to go out alone until you get comfortable with your surroundings. Do your research and pack accordingly. Make room for emergency items. Although you will be carrying your luggage yourself, make room for emergency items. Leave room for items such as a copy of your birth certificate and passport, in case your originals get stolen. You don't want to end up alone in a different country without any proof of who you are or where you came from. Don't pack more than you can carry at one time. When you have a travel companion, you can get away with carrying more since you have someone to sit by your luggage while you find a way to haul it from point A to point B. When you are alone, never carry more than you can load onto yourself at one time. Leaving half a pile of luggage alone for even a few minutes can spell disaster and invite theft. Use a backpack and easily carried bags. Even if you pack light, the bags you pack your luggage into will make a difference. Large backpack that is made especially for backpacking, and smaller bags that fit onto your back and arms like a well-made puzzle. Try on all your luggage before leaving on your trip to ensure that it all fits comfortably for long periods of time without causing a backache. Although you may feel silly doing so, take all your luggage on a walk around the block several times to see how it feels. Wear layers. Layers will come in handy when traveling alone. You won't have a companion to do things like leave the restaurant and head back to the room to grab your jackets while you wait for a table, or lend you a jacket when you are feeling chilly. Use layers to provide yourself with an easy way to dress for all weather and situations. Take numerous plastic bags. Plastic bags are any traveler's best friend. As a solo traveler, they are even more useful. You can use extra plastic bags to store wet bathing suits, dirty shoes, and garbage. You can fill them with essentials when you are headed out for the day, or wear them on your feet if an unexpected rainstorm comes along. Keep a copy of important numbers on you. Keep a copy of important phone numbers and contacts in your pocket or elsewhere on you at all times. This will be beneficial in case of an emergency where you may be incapacitated or otherwise unable to find help for yourself. You don't want to end up in a situation where your family needs to be contacted, but there is no way for anyone to reach them. Traveling solo may be one of the best experiences you ever have. The way you pack will determine whether your focus ends up on your special moments or on your aching back and lack of foresight.